Near-death experiences, NDE. Near-death experiences, NDEs, are reported by about 17% of individuals who come close to death. Crucially, these experiences occur while the person is near death, not after, meaning they do not constitute evidence of an afterlife. If only 10% to 20% of people experience NDEs, this raises significant implications. Either only a small fraction possesses a soul or spirit, implying the rest are akin to zombies, or NDEs fail to provide credible evidence for an eternal consciousness or afterlife. This highlights the limitations of interpreting NDEs as proof of life after death and underscores the need for critical analysis of such experiences. NDEs illustrate increased brain activity near death rather than proving an afterlife. Researchers have employed brain scans and data from individuals who experienced cardiac arrest, yet this may not reflect true death from the brain's perspective. Brain cells can remain active briefly after blood flow ceases, meaning a flatlining heart monitor does not equate to brain death. Dr. Ajmal Zemmer, a neurosurgeon, notes that true brain death occurs over a minute after the heart stops, confirmed by an EEG showing no brain activity. Initially, during hypoxia, oxygen deprivation, the brain exhibits a burst of activity as it instinctively attempts to survive, followed by lower frequency waves and ultimately a flatline. This sequence reflects that neurons undergo depolarization, leading to uncontrolled firing akin to a fireworks finale. Additionally, Dr. Jimo Borjajan found brief hyperactivation in the gamma frequency range just before death, suggesting such brain activity is organized rather than random. Importantly, EEGs cannot reliably detect the electrical activity of individual neurons, as they only measure when large groups fire simultaneously. Consequently, an EEG is insufficient to confirm lack of brain activity. Functional magnetic resonance imaging, fMRI, measures brain activity through changes in blood flow, revealing regions that are active during specific functions. When neurons are active, they widen the surrounding blood vessels to increase oxygen delivery, allowing fMRI to track heightened activity. However, both EEG and fMRI scans lack the precision to definitively determine whether a brain has no activity. As a result, the small percentage of reported near-death experiences, NDEs, cannot serve as an argument for an afterlife, nor can they provide evidence of continued consciousness after the brain shows no activity.